This, no, this is advisory.
InnoHub, okay.
InnoHub, Innovation Hub.
Yes.
Healthcare Innovation Hub, this is started this June.
Okay.
And I'm advisor over innovation, yes. I'm advisor over Innovation Hub. And Innovation Hub is Innovation Hubs to help the startups to for healthcare innovation.
Okay.
And life science and healthcare and life science field. And we have the InnoHub is we advisory board and many advisor supported groups. So and someone asks us anything about the, for example, invest and POC or and things. So many startups can
Yes. Because in campus we have what we call the SPS, where Prof. Samsila is. We have that innovation hub too.
And the aim of the InnoHub is networking opportunities via introduction. InnoHub advisors. So I can now you cannot start up, you cannot enter, but in the future. This is open to the other countries.
Okay.
But of course, advisor we are open all over the world. So if you want to enter the support projects, so please enter this.
Okay. For example, like we have the equipment and we have exoskeleton. We want to scale up. So maybe we can assist. Can ask your help then.
Yes.
For us to scale up.
And the second, yes, this one. And the second Aging Social Summit, Asian Japan, will be held in October 16 and 17. And at that time, startup competition. And if you, but I'm sorry, I cannot. They cannot own your traveling fee, but please pay on yourself. But it is last year they have VC is come from Silicon Valley is got the first prize to a remote medical system.
I see.
And so every year the competition will be held. So if some startups want to the entrance, so please let me know.
Yeah.
I can help you. So anyway, that is my